Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a product review on the 21 and up Ford F-150 snap-on tow mirrors. So this is straight out of the box. I haven't opened this up yet, so let's open it up and get to see what it looks like. So this product is a Snap Zap brand. As you guys can see, product logo. Let's open it up. All right, so this is this would be the driver's side. So it's got a little window for your turn signal. It's got the additional mirror. Looks like they snap on right here, and we're hoping for a good fit, so let's go try it out. All right, so we're ready to put this on. So it seems pretty easy construction. This top part will go on. This lip right here, you'll flex, get around all of the 360-degree camera stuff, and then make sure that this is snapped in. I already did the other side, so I'll do this side with you guys. So we'll start. Put it on here. Bring it around. And that's it. It snaps on pretty easy. And pretty nice fit. So as you guys can see, you got the blinker that goes through. Fits pretty nice. I do have the chrome mirrors, so it is a little bit weird. I think if you had black mirrors, it'll look a lot more factory. But overall, the fit is really nice. Still got your camera system, your blind spot still works just fine. And yeah, pretty nice fit. Nice little upgrade if you don't want to pay the $1,800 for the 250 mirrors. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like from the inside when you're using these Zap and Snap mirrors. Nice little addition to be able to see, you know, if you're pulling like a 24 or a 28-foot trailer, you can kind of see behind it. I've been road testing it for a little bit now, and no issues as far as drivability. It doesn't shake, it doesn't wobble like the clip-ons. There's a little hole, square hole right underneath the mirror, and you can adjust it. I haven't needed to adjust it, but it is an option. But overall, really simple to put on, quick, easy, take on and off. It's got a nice bag. I would recommend using these. I'm gonna pull my camper soon. I don't foresee any issues like I did with the clip-on mirrors in my previous videos. But sorry for the short review. There's really just not too much to review on. It took me like 10 seconds to put it on. They look nice, they fit nice. Overall, I'm very happy with it. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time.